What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a gluten-free pasta today. I'm using lentil pasta that I found at the supermarket. My first time ever seeing it. It has absolutely no wheat or wheat products. The only ingredient is basically yellow lentils. I'm going to be using it with some veggies and also adding an Asian marinade that I have that's really delicious. It's based with ginger and sesame oil. It's going to be really delicious and colorful and flavorful. So let's get right to work. Alright, so this is what we're going to be using in this recipe. I have 4 cloves of finely minced garlic. I have about a half a cup of red onion diced. I'm using some Thai chili flakes for heat. This is Ken's Simply Vinaigrette Asian vinaigrette dressing. This stuff is all natural, has no artificial flavors, no colors, no preservatives, no fructose corn syrup. The ingredients are really clean, so I love this stuff. When I don't have time to make a homemade dressing, I use this. I have about a cup and a half, 2 cups of shredded kale from my garden. About a 1/4 cup of minced coriander. I'm using avocado oil to saute with. I have about a cup and a half of Brussels sprouts that I cut into quarters, and about a cup and a half of white button mushroom slices. And this is the star of the show. We have some yellow lentil pasta, and it actually has 35 grams of carbs per serving, 3 grams of fiber, and 13 grams of protein. So it's 30% protein, which is really interesting. It has very high fiber, and the only ingredient is yellow lentil flour, which I thought was amazing. So this product is basically totally gluten-free. So it's really, really interesting. My first time working with it, like I said. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this over to boiling water with salt and start cooking this, and then we'll go over and start our aromatics in a pan. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop about a tablespoon and a half of avocado oil. I'm going to get that nice and hot, about 350 degrees or so. Then we're going to go ahead and drop first our garlic. A little bit more heat on that oil. Once we got that oil nice and hot, we're going to add the onion. Want to soften up the onions a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and drop the other ingredients. Once we soften up the mushrooms a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add our shredded kale. They're beautiful, all these vegetables in here. Right, so now that we have our veggies cooked, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the heat on this, so pretty much shut it off. And our pasta has got a few more minutes. Once the pasta's done, we're going to go ahead and combine them in the pot that the pasta was in, and we'll add the dressing, the Asian dressing and the chili, and mix it all up and serve it with the cilantro. Okay, so in the same container that I was cooking the pasta in, same pot, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of avocado oil, medium high heat. Go ahead and throw in our veggies. Get our pasta. Go ahead and throw that in there. This already smells amazing from the garlic, onion, and olive oil, and the mushrooms. Oh, honestly, you could eat it just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to add the dressing. I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons or so. This is very flavorful. Got a lot of like sesame oil flavor and ginger. It's got a little bit, a hint of sweetness to it. Really, really delicious. Kind of reminds me of a ginger dressing, but it's like a vinaigrette base. So it's got, you know, oil in it. Look how beautiful that looks. Now to that, to kick it off, I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of Thai chili. Right? That's going to add some nice, beautiful heat. And I'm actually a little scared of this stuff. It's really, really hot. Not joking. Alright. So now I'm going to mix this in. Right? Look how beautiful that looks. It's made a beautiful pot of gluten-free pasta. Enough for the whole family with nice ingredients. Now some fresh cilantro. Finish it off. And we are ready to go. Shut this off. Done. Everything's mixed. Gonna go ahead and serve it. Let you guys know how it is. So there it is, guys. Look how beautiful this recipe looks. I mean, if you got problems with gluten, it's made with chickpeas, which it's loaded with protein also without having to add any meat. If you're doing a vegan diet, it's also vegan friendly. It looks really, really delicious. It smells incredible in here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this recipe. I can tell you that it smells really, really good. I love that smell of ginger. Oh. Wow, it's really, really good. The texture of this pasta is a little bit more al dente than like if you use a wheat pasta, which has more give to it. This has got a little bit more like of a bite feel to it, and you can actually taste a little bit of a lentil flavor in it. With that soy, with that ginger dressing in here, it gives it a beautiful dimension of flavor. The garlic comes right through. The Brussels sprouts are nice and crunchy, but cooked all the way through. Sweet, they add a little bit of sweetness. And that Thai chili just punches you right in the face. Really, really delicious recipe.